Awesomes, welcome back for our bags and beauty video. This is a special unboxing episode. I am a director with 31 Gifts and I attended our virtual conference. And when you attend a virtual conference with 31, you get a box of goodies. So it still feels like winter outside, but I've got spring right here in this box. So I'm pre-recording this video 2 weeks before I can actually show it so you guys can see my genuine reaction when I open up this box. So I'm really excited to get into this. So it's got our spring catalog and a few spring products in it that I've never seen in person before. So this is really exciting. I cannot wait to see what's in here. So that's just one of the ways that the company rewards us consultants for attending trainings is by getting some free products, a free copy of the catalog, and of course we get the wonderful training and all the inspiration that comes along with it. So here's a little sneak peek at the catalog. I'm so excited. This just makes me dream of one of these entryways like this. So I hope that I can work my way towards that. All right. So I will dive into that catalog later. But right on top is this pouch, and it's called Size Up Expandable Pouch, and it's in watercolor stripe. This is a new spring print. We always have some wonderful black and white prints. It looks like it has come already expanded. So I'm gonna go ahead and zip it down. They did show us this in the training video. I think we gotta open it first. It's a little stiff fresh out of the box. All right, see if I can zip it down so we can see what it looks like small first. So if you've seen our large or zipper pouches before, we have a mini zipper pouch, and then we have one that's just called zipper pouch. But I've been a fan of 31 so long. I remember when it was called the large. Okay, so this one is shaped a little bit differently. I think the regular zipper pouch we have is a smidge wider this way. So this is what it looks like all zipped up. And you can see it's called the watercolor stripe because it's not a perfect clean line. It's there's a lot of variance to the print, and I really like that. It gives it a lot of character. So this is a great size. I would definitely recommend this for your beach bag or your diaper bag. Lots of great space in here. You can see what it looks like that. So that big black stripe in there is that extra space. And I'm going to reopen it. And so then you can expand it, make it wider so that you can, or deeper, so you can put more stuff in there. So this is really going to be nice, especially for those diaper bags, pool bags. You know, moms, women often end up carrying everybody's extra stuff. So this is going to be a perfect example of a necessity that you need this spring and summer when you are hauling everybody's stuff around the pool and the beach and on vacation. All right, next up, this one is called Kaleidoscope Dream Print Small Essential Storage Tote. So if you've been a 31 fan, you know our essential storage totes. Those are about the same size as a paper grocery sack, and they make a fantastic reusable shopping bag. So this is the miniature version. I love it when 31 makes miniature and deluxe versions of things because it's just like, you know, you already love it, so we're just going to get it in a different size. So it does have our nice sturdy handles. And when I saw this in the product video, I was hoping that it would hold 2 bottles of wine because bottles of wine is my favorite way to measure a size of bag. And I definitely think that this will be a perfect fit to gift 2 bottles of wine. This is a really cute. I also think this would make a fun Easter gift for kids to put all their Easter surprises in it, and then they can just reuse the bag. That's what I usually do for my kids. Every year we get them whatever small tote or bin or whatever 31 is offering, and I fill it with their Easter goodies, and then they get to use it to carry around their toys or use for travel or organize their room. So I think this is going to be a great Easter edition this year. You could fill it with the stuffed bunny and the chocolate bunny, of course, lots of jelly beans and eggs for sure. I love this print. Let me give you a nice, I love the daisy motif and the color choices. I like the coral. Orange is my favorite color, so I always veer towards those. And I know the teals and turquoises are always very popular, which ties into our next bag here. This one is called Patchwork Stripe, and it is the Everyday Essentials Tote. So in the training, they told us this was like an inside-out zip-top organizing utility tote. So that's usually ranking at our top 3 products with 31. And so I think this one might just give it a run for its money. So you see this nice, beautiful, springy, summery, beachy colored tote. It's got a Velcro pocket here on the outside. Great for sticking your summer reading in there. Magazines and books. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Okay. Look, so we got that nice teal color on the inside with all these pockets. It literally is like the zip top organizing utility tote turned inside out. Look at this beautiful color though. It's giving you a little bit more darker so you don't have to worry about getting dusty looking on the inside. There's, I hope you can see this bungee pocket here with a mesh. That's perfect for holding onto your drinks. And because of the support of the inside of the bag, you can carry those bigger, what are they called? The hydro flasks. That's it. That's the word I'm looking for. So you've got 2 of those big drink pockets, and then there's 3 big rounded pockets. So that's going to hold on to all of your sunblock and all of your pool accessories. Oh, this bag is fantastic. I can't wait to see what other colors it comes in, because I can see how this could be a little bit more dressed up as a work bag, or it could be dressed down as a beach and pool bag. Either way, I think that's going to be fantastic. I think it's going to have a lot of uses, just like the zip top organizing utility tote. And I think it's got a little bit more of cleaner lines on the outside and all that organization on the inside. I think this is probably going to be one of my favorite spring bags right here. All right, so we got one more in here. This is 4 products and our spring catalog, just for doing my job and attending a training. So that's definitely one of my favorite things about 31, is that they reward us. They give us things to work towards. And I like being the first one to see some of this stuff. It's so fun. So this is a new backpack, and this is in black, and it's called the Journey backpack. So it has some caramel trim on it. You see the handles are all wrapped up, and it's got this pocket here and a little teeny tiny D-ring here. So this is a great opportunity to add on an accessory like a backpack charm, or you could clip your keys on there. There's a zipper pocket here, nice and flat, great for paperwork and stuff. We have our drink pockets here. It's a little hard to see this contrast, so I'm gonna stick my hand in the pocket. So this is a great drink pocket right here. Okay, and on the inside, it's real dark. So, let's see what else. There's a pocket on the inside. I'm going to see if I can get into it. So again, sorry for the black on black. Oh, it is a thermal pocket. Can you see that silver lining? There's a thermal pocket, and it goes right up against the back of the bag. So that's that gives it a little bit padding on your back between you and the thermal pocket. So that's really nice. You can stick your snacks and stuff in there. So this would make a really nice bag for school, especially if you are the teacher or the student. Either way, it's a lot more dressed up than our current backpack. I think this is going to be really nice. Very nice gender neutral diaper bag as well, or family bag, because I've noticed our kids are out of diapers, but we still need a family bag. We still need a bag to toss all the extra stuff in for one of the parents to carry. So I call it the family bag. I don't know. What do you guys call it? Let me know in the comments. So that is all that I have to show you here in my new spring unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will do, after I use these bags for a little bit, I will do more of a proper demo or show you how I fill them up later in the spring. I look forward to sharing more with you. Thank you so much for watching this Bags and Beauty video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!